beginner dance to Luke Bryan's What Makes You Country. It's a 4-wall dance, no tags, no restarts. So this dance moves counterclockwise. So after we finish the dance at the front, it'll start at 9 o'clock, then go to 6, 3, and so on. So it starts with your weight on your left, and you're going to do a right toe heel stomp. Toe heel stomp. Now in a lot of other dances, we then do a left toe heel stomp, but we're not. All right, so that's probably the only thing that confuses people about this dance. Other than that, it's very simple. So we do our right toe heel stomp, and then we're going to do a left rocking chair. We're going to rock forward on the left, recover our weight on our right, rock back on the left, and recover our weight on the right. Okay, so our weight is on our right, so we're going to do a left toe heel stomp now, and do a rocking chair on the right. Rock forward, recover, and rock back, recover. Okay, so it's a right toe heel stomp, left rocking chair. Now we do the opposite. Left toe heel stomp, right rocking chair. All right, so toe heel stomp, rock and rock, toe heel stomp, rock and rock, recover. All right, so we always recover our weight onto the other foot there. All right, the second part of the dance is we're going to do 2 single steps, right touch, left touch. Then we're going to do 2 steps to the right, side together, side touch. Then we're going to do a single left touch, right touch. And then we're going to do side together, side touch, but we're going to make a quarter turn to our 9 o'clock wall. All right, so let me go through that. That's the whole dance. So it's just step touch to the right, step touch to the left, then to the right side, together, side touch. Then step touch to the right, side together, side touch to the side wall, 9 o'clock. All right, so let's try that again. Step, touch, double, step, touch, side together, side touch. All right, let's put it all together. Toe heel stomp, rock and rock. Left toe heel stomp, right rock and rock. Step, touch, double, 2 steps. Step, touch, side together, side. All right, we're at the side wall now. Let's do it to the side. Toe heel stomp, rock left. Left toe heel stomp, rock right and right. Single touch, double. Single touch, double to the back. Toe heel stomp, left rock and rock. Left toe heel stomp, right rock and rock. Single touch, side together, side. Single touch, side together, side to your side wall. All right, 3 o'clock. Toe heel stomp, rock and rock. Left toe heel stomp, right rock and rock. Single, double step. Single, double to the front. All right, another little tip. I remember from teaching, people got a little messed up after we do the second side double step. All right, so you do your right toe heel stomp, rock and rock, recover. Toe heel stomp left, rock right, recover. Then 2 single touch, double touch, single touch, side together, side touch. All right, so you're left with your toe down. That's not part of the toe heel stomp that you're going to start with. So even though you touch here, you're going to actually do another count, toe heel stomp. All right, so it's side together, side, touch, toe, heel, stomp, rock and rock, toe, heel, stomp, rock and rock. That's just a little tip. All right, I hope you get it. Okay, here's a little demo to what makes you country, and it has a long lead in. It's very easy beginner dance, but kind of fun. 5, 6, 7, 8. Toe, heel, stomp, rock and rock. Left toe, heel, stomp, rock and rock. Single, single, double. Single, single, double to the side. Right toe, heel, stomp. Left rock and rock. Left toe, heel, stomp. Right rock and rock. Single, single, double. Single, single, double to the back. Touch toe, heel, stomp. Rock and rock. Toe, heel, stomp. Rock and rock. Single, single, double. Single, single. Right the other side. Toe, heel, stomp. Rock and rock. Toe, heel, stomp. Rock and rock. Single, single, double. Single, single, double to the front. Toe, heel, stomp. Rock and rock. Toe, heel, stomp. Rock and rock. Single, double, single, single, double to the next one. Toe, heel, stomp. Rock and rock. Single, single, double, single, single, double to the back. Toe, heel, stomp. Rock and rock. Left toe, heel, stomp. Right rock. Single, single, double. Single, single, double to the side. Toe, heel, stomp. Rock and rock. Single, single, double. Single, single, double to the front. Right